you ever heard of a slaughter?
I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Valentine's Day edition for the Rose and Gold family and for the Rasta family. Roses are a girl's best friend, but I do like the money too. If you haven't gotten your significant other a rose or some candy and chocolates, get it for them now. And if you don't have a significant other, get yourself some. This is IK in the house.
International King. And for all the ladies out there, as long as the king is here, you'll never be lonely. Let's get into our hot topics for today, starting it off with Putin's $1.3 billion palace has finally been found.
That's it? We know there's more hiding away. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Queen's revenge. Harry and Meghan have been stripped of their royal titles.
She needs to stop. They need to put the old queen away because she's been there for about 900 years. Your face is on all the entire money and you can't take away something that's already connected with the rest of the bloodline. When you keep saying you're going to cut them off, you're not really cutting them off from anything because Prince Harry, Miss Duchess Meghan, whenever they go anywhere into a restaurant, they're going to give them free stuff regardless of if they have Queen's money or not. Let's get into our next hot topic.
A surprising new look for the balding Garth. His hair plug secret has finally been exposed.
Keep staying young, Garth. We saw you at the inauguration. Keep staying young.
Let's move into our next hot topic with a thing of booty. Reality star Larsa Pippen flashes her ample assets in Fort Lauderdale.
Respectfully, Larsa Pippen is looking good. She looks very curvy, and Larsa Pippen, you are our She's Hot winner, so that's all we're going to say about that.
And
keeps keeping out in the sun.
And Larsa Pippen looks so good, you could put a Coca-Cola bottle on her.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic with holding court. Harrison Ford is ready to make a racket as he heads to his tennis lesson in LA.
Now, I don't know what anyone has told you or what the paparazzi has told you, Harrison Ford, but you look bad. You look bad. You need to get a makeover because this is not the look you should be going for in the golf, but respectfully, we have respect for you.
And in your latest film, you look good, but that
That's
just
right.
shows what movie magic does to you. Let's move into our next hot topic with the sulking Kanye, his divorce denial.
So, allegedly, Kanye is saying that he can't accept the fact that Kim is divorcing with him. Kim, you need to keep divorcing him because it should be at that. And Kanye, you should accept that Kim's done with you because she's too hot for you. And there's tons of other guys already waiting in line for her, and you know that. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Cuoco is loco over Carl's mullets. Mullets are out of style. Let's move into our next hot topic.
Exactly. The only thing I want to say about the mullets being out of style, you're right, IK. They are out of style, and nobody should get a mullet unless you can really rock it.
Or
and
if you're in the 90s.
Exactly, and the person that we've seen right now that can rock it is Miley Cyrus. She got a mullet and she looks good in it.
True. Put us in one of your next music videos, Miley Cyrus.
That's
Hook
right.
a brother up. Let's move into our next hot topic with Lardy Luke packs on 40 pounds.
See, this is what happens, folks. Rose and Gold family, Rasta family, when you do what Chris Hemsworth said and you stop going to the gym and your muscles start to get a little bit lazy and you eat those potato chips.
But Dr. Ross, you're going to start losing muscle mass or mass in general when you start or stop working out.
Exactly, and you know what that means. It's Valentine's Day, so go in the gym, get in shape for your significant other or for yourself because it's Valentine's Day. You want to look good.
True. Let's move into our next hot topic with Kelly's making Ellen paranoid. She fears that her high-rated Clarkson show will steal her prized TV slot.
First of all, Ellen, they need to stop taking bad photos of you where you're just crying on set because it's not making a good image for you. And second of all...
And Ellen, if not to cut you off, but
Go ahead.
if you're worried, let Dr. Ross and I take over your show. We'll get it back to the #1 TV show other than Kelly Clarkson.
Exactly. And Kelly Clarkson's on the rise. Congratulations on your show. We've been seeing it here and there. It comes on 2 times a day. But for me personally, I think Ellen should go home. She should enjoy her wife. Allegedly, they've gotten divorced about 15 times. That should be a sign.
But go relax.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Martha Stewart, how she cooks up canine cannabis.
We don't want to talk about that, but Martha Stewart, we saw that one thing that you were doing with Snoop Dogg. IK and I are available for any other products that you will need for
And
moms.
Dr. Ross, wasn't she making wine with Snoop Dogg?
Exactly.
So who knows, she might be getting some influence. And Snoop, we still have the weed-infused shampoo for you. Martha Stewart, let's do some business.
That's right.
Let's move into our next hot topic with housewives trade shots.
They're trading shots because they're trying to get as drunk as possible, just completely ignoring COVID, but it's okay. That's what the housewives do. They get scandalous and they get crazy because that's what their views go up on.
Living it up.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic with living large. Reality star Heidi Montag says there's no baby on board, but she looks like she's eating for two.
Let her eat, but like I said, once again, for Valentine's Day, you're going to want to hit the gym no matter how much you've been eating or how little you've been eating, because she's probably not getting a baby because she wants to keep her figure, but the
And
baby,
Dr. Ross,
other things
she's most likely relaxing since the coronavirus has came, but that's still no excuse. You still need to work out and stay in shape.
Onto our next hot topic. Sorry, okay. Dwayne Johnson's mom sweetly, quote unquote, crashes Jimmy Fallon's interview as she plays the ukulele. The Rock obviously brought her on there. What are your thoughts, IK?
We see where you get the greediness from. Your mom was on there. She played one song and that was enough, but she wouldn't play the second song.
Because she
The
loves
Rock,
the TV. She wants to be on there as much as possible.
The Rock, we know that you were embarrassed at that moment. We could see your veins popping out and everything. Just stop.
true.
You need to stop with the acting roles too. Just relax. We saw your flashback on SNL. They were playing an old one from the 90s.
Where they made
Rock.
you like a nervous zoologist. We've really seen how far you've come, Rock. Now it's time to go home and relax.
Exactly. Enjoy some of your wealth.
Exactly.
Let the new generation step in and take your place.
That's right.
Let's move into our next hot topic with flex time. Black Panther hunk Michael B. Jordan shows off his strength during a workout in St. Barst.
Michael B. Jordan is constantly flexing. When is there a time that we haven't seen Michael B. Jordan flexing in the gym? But that's good because Lori Harvey is nowhere to be seen, probably in the clubs, partying it up. But you guys should be together and keep
And
it off
Dr.
the internet.
Ross.
That's all I want to say. Keep it off the internet.
Michael B. Jordan made a mistake going with it. He could have got someone better.
We all
Let's-
make mistakes.
But let's move into our next hot topic with Sugarcane. Delta Burke, who played designing woman Suzanne Sugarbaker, gets a handle on her errands in LA.
Good, keep running around in the LA. Let's get into our next hot topic though, because we don't want to keep these too long. Cardi B, Culture, and Offset celebrate Valentine's Day, and he got her a bunch of cheap ass balloons everywhere that say love, some cheap roses that you got from the dollar store that you throw in her bed. Nestle.
Dr. Ross, I'm still glad because I thought for a second you were going to say he got her another $500,000 and put it in a fridge.
Exactly.
Or got her another rental car.
The thing I want to say about this, IK, is they shouldn't be flashing all over the internet about all this cheap stuff trying to cover up from what we're really focused on. Offset, pay off the rental car and give them back their car. Stop saying that you don't know where it is. And Cardi B, she needs to stay quiet like she's been doing.
But Cardi B, she's been out in the news and she's going to be in another film coming up.
Exactly.
Let's move to our next hot topic.
On to our next hot topic. We're going to go ahead and mention that Kendall Jenner, this is going to be our last hot topic though, but Kendall Jenner, she posted some not nude photos, but some scandalous photos and some lingerie, and fans were saying that they felt a little bit body shamed, so Kendall Jenner said she doesn't even feel confident in her body. Stop lying to them. Stop it, Kendall. Stop it. The amount of nude photos you post, respectfully, we're not hating on it, but the amount of photos that you post that are just butt naked, and you want to come on the internet and say you don't feel as curvy as your sisters, so what? So what? You're still hot, and hotness comes in every single shape and every size.
And Dr. Ross, I know you're saying she's wearing lingerie, but I actually wouldn't be surprised if she shot another nude photo. This would have been the 6th one this week. But Kendall, keep on doing you and keep on being scandalous. We know that you have a Valentine's, but the king is available. Let's move into
Let's close it off.
These were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you guys on the next installment. And for Kylie Jenner, I'll get you a red rose. Smells beautiful. We out.